Ready to unlock the full potential of SMS marketing with Twilio and ensure your messages land reliably? Let's dive straight into activating A2P, or Application Tolerance Messaging, on Twilio. First, log into your Twilio account, and if you don't have one already, you will need to sign up. Next, hover over Messaging on the left-hand navigation panel. A drop-down menu will appear, guiding us to A2P. Now click on A2P Messaging. This is where the magic happens. Look for the Start Registration button and click it. This will kick off the A2P registration process. You'll be prompted to register your business profile. This involves providing accurate details about your company. Be sure to input the legal name, address, and tax information. The next crucial step is to register a messaging service. This defines the purpose and content of your SMS campaigns. Ensure you comply with guidelines, particularly regarding consent and opt-out mechanisms. Then you'll need to select the type of campaign that you will be using, for example, if it's marketing or transactional, and follow the given steps. Always prioritize compliance, provide clear opt-out instructions in your messages, and respect user preferences. After submitting all the required information, it takes a few business days for Twilio to review and approve your A2P registration. And that's it. By following these steps and adhering to best practices, you'll unlock reliable and effective SMS communication with Twilio's A2P messaging.